In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Nexo to bank account. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside their platform, you want to go to the dashboard section up top, and you want to first sell some of your crypto to be able to get the money in fiat X to be able to then withdraw that to your bank account. So you want to select what you want to sell. So for example, let's say I want to sell some Nexo tokens. Click on over here where it says trade, click on sell, and then sell however much you want. And then here you can receive it in USDX, EuroX, or GBPX. Press continue, confirm the transaction, and you'll receive some fiat X coins. Now go down here again, go to fiat X, and select the one you want. Here I have some Euro X. I can just click on transfer, withdraw, and it's going to ask me where I want to withdraw. So to do it to a bank account, click on withdraw to bank account. From here, you want to select however much you want to do. So, for example, let's say I want to withdraw full amount here. It's not going to let me because there's minimum withdrawal limits, but still. And then here you have the bank country. You have to select your country over here. So just type in your country name, click on it, and then from there, as you can see, you have to be, of course, above the minimum withdrawal limit. If you're not, you won't be able to do that. So make sure you actually have enough to withdraw, and then you'll be able to put in kind of your bank details and stuff like that, confirm it, and via there, you'll be able to then withdraw your money, and it's going to come in a few working days. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.